If you have a vehicle where you have the anti-theft light that comes on, it's usually amber, red, or orange, and it's a car with a padlock, key lock on the side, and it looks like this. So if you got that light, that's basically the anti-theft light. There's multiple things that can trigger it, and I want to show you a few examples of what to do. So right now I have the vehicle on. So what I want you to do is turn it off and then try to turn it back on again. A lot of times that will do the trick. Try that actually 4 or 5 times. All right, if you've tried that, one thing to do is it could be your actual key that is having an issue with the ignition start. So if you don't have the key fob and you have one like this, try another key. So if you have 2 keys, try the other one. As you can see, this key right here was actually programmed at Walmart, and because it doesn't have the Chevy logo. And again, this could happen with your Mitsubishi, your Ford, your Chevy, Impala. It doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. This light comes on with several different vehicles, and this is a fix for it. So try a different key. All right. After you've tried that, one thing I want you to do is make sure, like if you just came from the grocery store, go to the back and make sure you didn't inadvertently keep the trunk open. So that's what I did in my situation. I put my groceries in and I closed it, but I didn't lock it. So make sure your trunk is fully closed. Make sure all your doors are fully closed. So go ahead and pop every door open. Turn off your engine and then start it again. Next thing I want you to do, if that does not fix the problem, what I want you to do is get you some pliers and actually take the cables off of the battery. It's fairly simple to do. You just take these 2 little nuts off if you're not used to taking a battery off. And you do the negative first and the positive. Just make sure that they don't touch the terminals. And one thing you could do is actually clean the terminals, the posts actually, which is these little things that pop up, and go ahead and clean around it with a toothbrush. And there's multiple different cleaners that you can use. You could actually use vinegar, you could actually use baking powder and a vinegar solution. And if there's any corrosion around it, go ahead and get all the corrosion off with the toothbrush. You want to clean the post, but you're also going to clean this terminal here around it. It's like a circle. You want to clean both posts, and you want to let that sit for about 30 minutes, and that'll do a little small reset on your electrical system, and that might take away that light. All right? After you've tried that, what I want you to do, and this doesn't matter if you have the key fob or you have the regular ignition key like this, what I want you to do is close the door, and on the driver's side, I want you to lock it and unlock it 10 times. And that could deactivate that anti-theft device that's in your vehicle. All right. Try that, start the car up and see if that will work. I think you'll be confident that one of those solutions will work. If you only have one key and it's still happening, you might have to take your key to the dealership and get it reprogrammed. It should be a simple fix, but hope I helped, and make sure you subscribe.